sine tendency yani yokucelebrate petty results. Most countries that played brilliant football, their coach was from the very same country. Umuntu onjalo understands the culture of player. Yes, but amaplayer wethu ayahlupha. Amapha amaplayer angahlupha ebholweni. I-football mina ngithi i-sport esidiscipline, but isidlalwa abantu abamisbehavior.
Hi guys, welcome again to another exciting episode of HPNS. Bafethu sibonge man, siyabonga support, engagement, amasapu lapha ku YouTube and engagements lapha ku Facebook and TikTok. Continue to support guys. We are here for you. Sila ngoba nani nifuna sibe la. Vandag hlele neGrootmani uDonadona ayibe namasiba. Hey, sorry for strong language. Mara beintswembu le Grootmani. Yeah, so ngihleli naye Vandag iGrootmani ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu wedisc from eKasi othanda ukuemphasize idisc eKasi ibhola eKasi from the grassroots. Most of the time when we talk football he would make an example ngedevelopment la eKasi ukuthi la eMzansi development ethisha kuphi. We make an example ngama-team abhaya adlala ku-PSL yo national level kubafana bafana, even if we compare to other national teams. But I don't want to take that sport mina ngikhuluma ngalezo zinto. I think I'm going to allow him, I'm giving him space ukuthi yena kube uyu umuntu ozokhuluma ngayo. Grootmani,
yeah, Babzin Fede,
sharp uzet
George.
Awu kancane nje utshele abantu ukuthi ama-viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wena.
Igama
Ngoba ngibatshelile ukuthi wena untswembu so maybe wena mangazikhulumela.
Ngizamanyana.
Bozaba.
Ngizamanyana.
Yeah.
Ayigama uThabo Mabaso.
Yeah.
Obvious ama-supporters intshebe kumaZulu kuPinoni. Amajita esidlalela wonke idiscuss uDona yabona.
Yeah.
Bathi-ke igama uThabo Mabaso.
Thabo Mabaso.
Dlala idisc khulele School of Excellence. Yayithola. Dlalela ama-team abomaZulu, Pinoni United, Sundowns, Black Leopards. Bese khona nje egamini sicontributile la sicontribute khona uyayithola le nto le. Yeah, sidlalile against the best. Siyayazi feeling yokudlala kulama ground ukuthi njani. Ingeke zibe easy for days. For anyone ofuna ukufika lapha kule level, i-sacrifice yakhona enzima.
Ayikho easy.
Yeah, inzima umsebenzi wakhona unzima ukho easy.
Yeah. And out of everything that you've been through since udlala idisc from wherever, I know une passion ye development.
Kakhulu.
Une passion ye development.
Abantwana.
Yeah.
Ayinathi sisuka lapho besibancane phela Babzini.
Yeah.
Khona enye ankelo Grootmani eKasi yakhe ivula iClub ithi le ntwana ziyashisa lezi. Awuthi ngezincenge ekugcineni end up sesisamwe.
Wena iyenzo yini ukuthi uyithande from like we ufuna ukuyibona ikhula from eKasi straight?
Enye into ukukhula kuyo yabona ukukhula kulama environment okubo School of Excellence. Yeah, like you discover into eziningi ukuthi hey man ushuthi man abantu la ngaphandle ubona bo Spain bashisa so ushuthi kuyasetshenzwa kulezi zinto ze development kwamampela uyayithola le nto le. And then talent esibonayo esikhathini esiningi mawuhleli eKasi uye emagroundini yobukela abantwana sibona italent exceptional ekumele ngabe country kumele siprotect strong ikhuliswe sharp kube nama channel right silungise development yethu uyayithola yenye into manje ngidriver kakhulu because bangathi uyalandela eKasi esikhathini esiningi i-out ezivulele nje iClub kuba rare ukuthi kube ne-team ethi no thina sivula i-branch eSoweto ye-PSL ukuthi no ama-player weze la kube ne-centanyana sijimenyana sibone ukuthi intwana ngeke siziphushe esikhathini esiningi amajita umuntu uzivulela iClub but hayi asameni sodlala bafethu uyayithola end up ekuphuma istar esi1 sesisibukele TV kuba intonyana enjalo. So lento nami yangidrive eareani yami ukuthi hey man intwana zikhona zine talent. Umuntu ukhulelile kule space se development knowledge unayo so athi assist intwana kungabe ukuthi siba nalento ukuthi siba ama-hotman adlala i-disc sifuna ukupraise wethina kuphela bese abantwana bona uyayithola ayicini ngathi phela i-generational lento le so nathi kumele sisize amanye ama-generation ngale knowledge esinayo maybe oyi-one uzoba lucky asasi uyayithola.
So wena ekasi manje ngiyazi une team so far sikhuluma ngaleyo team yakho ukuthi so far ubona iza kanjani, and is there anything that you feel ukuthi you need support kuyo, maybe kunomuntu olalele obukele ozokhona ukuthi athi mantona bheka ithi mina ngifaka isandla ngento so into ezinjalo?
Esikhathini esibhayo naphabuzini mawune team ama-challenges amaningi ebhola because ngeke ujimisa abantwana abayi-30 ngebhola eliyi-1.
Okay,
i-quality uzoyithola kuphi lapho uyayithola ne-game understanding ngeke babe nayo because kuna 29 emele umuntu oyi-1 ukuthi acontrol ibhola uyayithola, so izothatha isikhathi. In most cases ama-challenges esiwathola ekasi indaba ibhola is a serious problem and uyazi sidlala ebhucwini masiwathenga la utshani after a month isiphelile and manje
nalo la ekasi modlala ebhucwini nokuthi luwele ngara yathole ikara
or shawe ifence selilimele wabona. So ibhola kabhaye ekasi challenge. Number 2 like equipment yokudlala intwaneni obviously lezami ngiyazama because ngine knowledge ukuthi i-disc ini bakhona abantu esiba-engage abanye bayasizama ngalokhu abanye bayasizama ngalokhu uyayithola but if leyo nto bengayenzakala nje all round ekasi and then it means besizothola ama-player amaningi exceptional and then enye into e-critical ey'ntwaneni ezikhulu ekasi because if uzoba i-star i-environment mele change. That is why ubona most ama-young players mabamthathe elokishini sekahlala kuphi or udlala ku-Randburg or udlala ku-Pirates akasayijwayelanga environment yasekasi kula manje ifocus iba yiningi khona ngapha ne-nutrition yanakekela so ekasi sinokuhamba the whole day ngagawula ndoda singena ayishone khona amasotsha and siyadlala kumele kunjalo zi-strong so it means mentality right uyayithola it means bangazana lezi zinto ezi-extra zokuthi masengishinyana lapho uyobona enye into ubona umhlola lapho ubukela ifilimu ngiyakutshela mina ngishaya iflate angcoach Coach ejimini.
Ishaya flake
eground.
Bayazi.
Ngiswe.
Yeah.
Ngibukela into engayijwayelanga. Ngiyayithola lento le. Because nginalento yokuthini, after game ngithengela ama 2 liter i6. Siyabona nazo. 2 liter i6 bafowethu. Sidlale ngoma 2 months asitholi next. So lentonyana ezincane ezihambisana ne-nutrition, equipment, uyabona yokudlala, ikit right is important ebantwaneni. Yize ezichange mindset. But if iziyaleka umntwana ujika uyabona lento ebhola umdlalo. Jika sozithola zimema kuleni lapha.
Yeah.
Uyayithola sekuyi traffic emakuleni ngale bhodlela leli uyalazi le bhodlela ngibabiza ama plumber.
Yeah.
Ngithi ama plumber ngithi baphesa ama pipe ngapha nangapha. Uyayithola lento le. So imele siyichange kancane.
Imele siyichange.
Isafa khona mali ka organize la khona but we need to do more.
Yeah.
Siyibonile lento ku World Cup. If Morocco can play an 18-year-old ekichimiswa abo Manchester abo PSG namhlanje, not we can do that.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah, we can do that. It start is corner now relay is going somewhere. But for me now it's set when it comes to a national team because we could have had more young players in that team.
Yeah, and another mentality ukuthi especially ku national team ethu ukuthi aman le intwana usadinga ukuthi athola amanye ama chance before adlala like really bebamdoubt beka manje bamgayile ichance uthe makaqeda ukudlala sekaya signing
the whole thing
and then ama player nama team ezidlala nawo against wona already beba plana ngo really uthi yazi le ntwana sibonile ayiye le ntwana and uthola ukuthi udlale nje few minutes bamfake as a sub lokho mara already seba plana ngayo ukuthi I think the mentality we need to change that mentality at national levels even nakuma PSL. But I'm glad the Pirates is giving intwana ama chance. I mean usikhuluma ngale ntwana uphadime zibhayi intane zibhayi ziphuma ku Pirates vele nayo real vele uzara
enye into ngale country sifuna ama-results. Yes, it's a good thing, sifuna ama-results. But how do we work towards that end point yama-results? Because ama-results, into yebhola ngihlale ngi-explainer so nginenye i-code ngithi ibhola ayifani nama-noodles, isempu uyayithola.
Yeah.
Isempu ungabeka ibhodo the whole day ulumele. Ama-noodles ngifaka manje ku-microwave sengiyadla.
Yeah.
So sinaleyo nto la kule country ukuthi sifuna ukuwina manje. I understand ukuthi why, but maybe ihambisana nokuthi i-sponsors sifuna ama-results and all that stuff, but singeke sazi too deep into politics yakhona. But into engiyibonile kule country sifuna ukuwina manje, and sine-tendency yani yoku-celebrate petty results. For a country efana nathi to qualify for the next round World Cup, we're not supposed to be celebrating.
It's supposed to be a norm.
It's supposed to be a norm. Like country yethu ungayema groundini sizule the whole weekend. Don't come is playing soccer. Even abantu abadala abana 50 we are playing soccer in weekend. So lezi into esizicelebrate ezincane yizo esizosishaya. We need to be critical about these things. Number one, yes, it's winning, let's feel we knockout. How many youngsters are we exporting after World Cup? How many youngsters are my team, big teams in Europe? Exactly. It's a problem. It's a problem. Another thing, we need to believe in our own. If you look at all these countries, most of our countries, Argentina is a final in Argentinian coaching. Spain is in the final, Spanish coaching. France is in the last 4, Frenchman coaching. Obviously, England have got their issues and it shows every time because Baba Naden took by fader. But most countries that played brilliant football, their coach was from the very same country. Umuntu njalo understands the culture of my player. Yes, but I'm a player with a loop. I'm up on my player and a loop.
And never understand that naming a sinazo see into
exactly. Yeah. Always, I like player le pole and a loop. It's a good lesos in das verse.
As verse.
Yeah, football meaning it sport is discipline, but it's not about misbehavior. I'm a footballer and a mischieving. It's normal. It comes in the environment with sabafana. Ungaye boarding school yabafana kune mischief nje it's normal. And then ke khona lezi as extensive ukuthi sifuna control uyayithola. But ke kureke ukuthi sibe nama case kanjalo awekho maningi uyayithola.
Yeah,
sure. So izinto ekumele sizilungise lezi. We need to trust in our own. Our young players, let's put them in. Singasabi ukudliwa na enye into problem yethu. Sabu ukudliwa kule country. Siyahamba siya ku France sithola 5. Asabizi Brazil, asabizi France. Sesibiza la country nyana amancane ukuthi sithi no I score si right. Ayisipanda yini. Asambe nje shawa England. Sibuyeni sihlale phansi sistudy video sibheke ukuthi kushuthi tempo game yasishaya. Kushuthi defensive isale kama defenders. Uyayithola lezo zinto identify because if asi kule indawo lezi and get hammered we won't find out ukuthi sileka kuphi. Uyayithola lento le and then if we are World Cup siba exposed the tempo yasishaya because sijwayele ukudlala nabantu abanjani slow. Uyabona siyawe into encane ku World Cup ayikuthi siyawe ukuthi igame
ya Canada mfethu.
Yes, and it's Canada yenzeni idlala igame ngetempo high. La mase sicala sikhathala khona sayenza leya mistake. Sijwayele le tempo high uyabona ukuthi iya ku play game kahle you end up ya kuma penalty.
Yeah, but also I think mina nami Bruce Minbagayida nge-mentality nyana enye yokudefenda. He's a good coach, but I mean even ne game Canada, if you look at that game, bathema baqeda ukuscora, we only had like few minutes towards game is over before game is over. But that game in fact bese siya kubo bese sifika lapha na kubo because manje bese bayaslida 1-0 game is over mara siyakhona ukufika, but game most of the time we were playing halfway. Bebadlala isi half crowd.
I mean, like every time Gule World Cup, when I've watched South Africa play, it was the last 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Amanye minutes hayi bengibukela enye country engayi-understand ukuthi enhlek la machita akhulele kasi or maybe sibalande somewhere.
Ilabantu esibaziyo.
Uyayithola lento. Yeah, last 15 minutes mase sine-problem sibukela i-South Africa idlala la.
Mase siba nenkinga.
Kunomuntu ozoshawa ngevala kuphuma amanye ama-1-2 amnandi si-crispy si-confident sidlala nge-freedom enye uyayithola. But-ke lezo zinto angithi izibuyela back to lento engiyishoyo. We need to put our own in the bench. Umuntu e-understandayo lento. Ozoyi-allow from first minute. Because still singathi sifuna ukudlala ibhola lethu. Eliphi ibhola lethu kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Uyayithola. Into eyi-one esinayo special la i-secret weapon yethu ebholweni. Isine skill.
Yeah.
Singabi confused abelungu bathi showboating basicolonizer basicolonizer ngithi manje bayayivala lento bayayibona ukuthi masingabayekela laba bayidlale the way bafuna ngakhona sizoba neproblem bebayenza bolrato le ku Champions League babuye babanjwa ngama-washing abo Al-Ahly baligibele babambe ngama-washing lezi sikwatile ngithi azi-understand le game le yi-secret weapon yethu but uyazimele senzeni mele sikwazi ukuyi-incorporate into the modern game ukuthi siyifaka kanjani ku-modern game kula manje kuza football education imanual yethu i-right for our players. That's another question. Now ucoach Pithu uyenzile yakhe sisazoyifunda maybe isinikeza i-direction yama-player wethu but le currently existing angiyiboni isisebenzela. Because sidlala the very same thing. So sidlala ne-Germans, sidlala njengama-Germans. How do you beat them?
You can't.
Awunayo i-X-factor wena. Uyayithola. So kumele sizilungise lezi zinto ezincane and lezi zinto zilungiswa from an early age.
Good development. Le uyincanywayo.
Kumele siqale sibe ne-league ye-under 6. That is well managed. And the scouts aphuma kusafa sibe nayo national team ye-under 6. Ithathwe itravel ebo Real Madrid abo Manchester banabo abo under 7 under 6 bahamba abantwana babuye bathole 25 need. There's nothing wrong ngalokho. We've learned a lot kuleyo 25 need if it's positive. Uyayithola bazosidla 25 by 1 sibuyele next season basidle 13 sibuyele kuleya season kube 4-1 mase sibuyele kwesi5 bathuke sibashaya 16. Uyayithola sesiye understand into ekumele siyazi. But if sine-fear yalezo zinto lezo sizohlala njalo silibele sicomplaina ukuthi national team ngathi iyazama asikwazi ukuhlulwa i-Cape Verde bafowethu. Like we cannot. I-Cape Verde sithola sidlala ibhola.
Ekufrustani bathi labantu bekwabo abantu abasipanayo nje. Badlala ibhola ngechance.
Badlala full time.
Bayahlula.
And ba-export how many players overseas. Asikhohlweni indaba ukuthi i-Cape Verde phambi kwanani Spain. Let's forget that. Asiyekele leyo part. How many players of them are overseas? We need to fix our football. And phezulu ama-sponsors akhona yonke into i-right. Obvious ama-innovations we-game bayawalandela. Intwana ey'ncane ziyafakwa even though i-process yakhona is-slow. But enzansi kunama-issues abhaya. Angeke unge-expect ukuthi ngijwayele i-change room ngina 21. Ngikhula ngicokele ehlathini nto.
Kumele uyiqale from
mase ngina 21 ngifake i-change room engiyabhayeza sengithukile angisa-understand kwenzakalayo.
Le gawulo yakhona ungifaka nayo ungikaya le gawulo mina sengibanjwe isisu ngakujwayela ipapa before.
Lezinto kumele sizilungise kusaseni. Imali itholakele le World Cup ayibuye safa.
When how would you like to see buma safa structure restructure development yala eMzansi Grand
besides ukuthi kunama LFA kumele kube nama regional leagues wabantwana sibe ne regional league yase Gauteng ye-under 11 angikhulumi nge-GDL i-GDL umuntu nomuntu uzithengela iclub ngikhuluma nge-regional league la kuzoba ne-squad sasethembisa esiselectwa abo-coach basethembisa i-squad sase East Rand i-squad ngapha ePretoria like kube nalezo zinto uyayithola siyazi ukuthi ama-team maybe ayi-16 ayadlala ne-league yawo besides ukuthi labafana bayadlala ku-LFA emathimini wabo but kunele league le yabantwana iqala from under 6 ukuya phezulu la isafa identify khona in next national team players uyayithola if asinaso leso structure
ne-exposure nabo labafana bakhona ukubona ukuthi kuthithwa kanjani
yaziwaye ebholweni abantu badlala kahle wena babzini if isikole sidlala against each other ngithi mina nawe siyazana masifika ku-national team kuzoyenzakalani already relationship mina nawe
yabona nabo Iniesta nabo Xavi bakhule beza ba-excela baze bayoyina ne-World Cup.
That is why squad sa 96 bese strong most yala ama-player from school football Matsike, Pesesco, Ikole, Israel, isikolo kuphe Mamelodi. Most of our players azana from group KFC football. As soon as ubahlanganisa bonke awusena msebenzi omningi ukuthi manje kumele kube nale cohesion. Iproblem yakho sekuwukuthi ngibadlalisa kanjani.
Ukhuluma ngale national team yethu.
Le ya 96.
Yeah, 96.
That is why beku easy.
Bekhojwa uDaido Clive Barker.
Exactly.
Well, going back to that, do you think when I will ever have a national team ezowina eAfcon la eMzansi?
The one besinayo was better than the one year 96. They phuma ku World Cup match.
Was it better?
Yeah, it's better, but the problem yayo yazi selectwe kanjani. 6 players from one team, nayo problem esinayo. Kumele select the national team. Whoever that coaches the national team, he must select the national team. Too many players were left behind. You could see spaces with la uGiflings uyangena la.
Okay.
La uMayambele uyangena. La uNdlovu lo Arrows besimnida la kule game bekazozana something. Like too many players were left behind. Yes, I understand uthi ucoach wakhila team yakhe. But the South Africa now how many players for
but also coming back to that, we only need how many 22 players, ne?
Yes.
So
but singakwazi ukuba nezikwati ezi3.
Sihambe nazo.
Yeah, let's have 3 teams noma singahambe nazo. Kukhona igame yeMadagascar ufuna ukubiza the A team. Angibizi A team ngeMadagascar. Ngibiza la bengisaba testa ukuthi ubani ozoba i-replacement kabani. Uyayithola. But asinayo thina leyo backup there. Once kulimala one kule ya A team, sibambe ikhanda ukuthi ubani ozongena kuphi. Uyayithola. Yeah, so i-football i-continuity. Nayo enye into esinganayo eSouth Africa i-continuity. Ama-player nje azichamukela nje. Uyachamuka bathi hayi nayi player hayi uyashisa ngena ku Pirates and then after Pirates what happens? Yeah, it's all. Under 23 when last uzwa bathi siyobukela igame national team
under 23 idlala.
Yeah, I need ukuthi izibe ne tournament ukuthi idlala. Yeah, they can put them in camp manje bevalue isizini badlala against ama-team ama-friendly. Angithi sesicalile sibuild the under 23 ukuthi whenever ama-Olympics ama-qualification aqala si-ready nini le game ye-national team esidlala neLesotho sithumele under
23.
Exactly.
Kuyayona yona.
Manje sibe nazo lezi zinto lezo but thina yonke into sifuna ukuthi
kumosheke kuphi.
Yabona ikumoshekeni ipolitiki ende leyo
ne
enye into kumele siyilungise i-office lethu we cannot be having i-office la abo-coach ekuwukuthi babe successful ku-development abekho ku-technical team. They not there. abo-Farouk Khan besingawa-counter, Coach Sembatha, Coach Themba, Ethembisa, they not part of the technical team yourself. So sizoba nama issues abantu aba-understand i-football from the ground. They not in that space.
And some of them abalaphayana ngisho abadlalanga idisk.
Yeah, leyo ke akusi problem kakhulu. Bangaba barane ubu-CEO barane lezo zinto ekukuthi need i-paperwork, but in the technical committee abantu abaningi kumele babe lapha abantu abayi-understandayo igame
bayiqale from vele
so that sizokwazi ukuthi ne-direction ye-game izoba right. Mina I would prefer ucoach Pitso kube i-technical director not i-coach. I-coaching asimiyekeleni ucoachile
before
asimiyekeleni akasinikezeni i-direction. If ukwazile ukubhala i-manual it means unale direction unale vision. Let's utilize him. Let him give us that vision.
Yeah, that's my feeling, man, around Pitso.
Exactly. And then Mrs. Yapega, who are the 2 coaches that have been successful in putting youngsters into the field? Rivero, Urulani. Let's bring them in. You 2 sit on the bench. and then bese siyabheka ukuthi is-either bobani ku-technical team.
Mkhelelo sasekhona la.
Yes, Mkhelelo is there.
Angahlala
We've got European experience kupheni isikhona nabo Lerato amajita esikasi ibana ama-scout for ama-junior national team in Gijime phansi identify any talent all the ex-players that's your duty. Manje le constitution yenzani ivalela abantu abayi-understanda igame ngaphandle. Igame yenzani at the end of the day iyasafara mayisafara kwenzakalani siba exposed at the highest of levels because akunale working relationship. Uyayithola le nto le. So we need to fix these minor things. The problem yethu ayikho egroundini. The problem yethu is off the field. Once we fix the off the field, ama players now for days. Bangayilethi Argentina no Messi. Sinazomshaya idoli isuka.
Yeah.
Ezethu ziyazi
lidlalwa kanjani. Frustrate.
Ziyazi lethu lidlalwa kanjani mshaye.
Yeah.
So mshaya bamkhiphe bese ke abeze ke manje sebanganayo uMessi bazobhekana nabo Messi abayi9.
Yeah.
Uyayithola. So ezinye izinto akumelanga sibalekele iculture yethu. Si country engazange yaba ne strike esintswembe esidlala ibhola. I-striker nje zethu zi-robust. Inkani nje phambili from kuma Max Mabonyana ukuza kanje ungabala for years. Abo AC Mgidi from Dala inkani. Uyayithola. So kumele sibuyele kuleyo culture. Lezo i-striker bezisebenzela bezibakora abo 20-25 goals.
Sure.
Lezi sifuna ukuzidevelopa manje ze modern game azisebenzeli siyaziconfuse because untango ukhulela okushini sithi maphambili bazoletha Foster simkhulise ngaleyo mentality mase sifika le ku high level sesithini ayimele ungene la ume spacing bakufakela angeke izisebenzele.
Yeah,
you can't change into emuntwini sekana 25.
Sure. Yeah. We call us
Yeah, so we need to understand our culture ukuthi ethi team imele ibe nomuntu onembazo la isiswini.
Sure.
Mangeke umuntu onembazo sizoba exposed.
Sizoba
ngeke sidlale njenge Spain. Can't play like Spain. Thina siyayazi ethi country ukuthi emidfieldini nje kumele kube khona ehlabayo.
Yeah, kumele kube nozodistep vele.
And abo Pirates bayenza lento. Uyazi kunoMakhawula uzonishaya ngesithathu uMakhawula kanibele niphithizela. Ku Sundowns ikhona uTeves uzokungena ngenye ithekile erough. Like
and even before yena bekhona omunye.
Bekhona uNdabuthelezi aboTombo.
Abonyandoro.
Yeah, it's generational. Ibhola lethu linjalo and then sinethinka obvious. Dr. Kumalo style will surprise me. You can count them. Lerato generation, we can count them. And then thina sayithini sidlala ngepace and asidlala ibhola eli opposite ukuthi mawudlala ngo right uya ku left. Mawudlala ngo right uma ku right udlala i-right wing emshiye sazi ukuthi uyamshiya nje thina ufake eboxini. Manje sesifuna ukukopa lezi ntonyana eziningi yes
wathi basicolonize.
Yeah, zi-right sizigobhe khona kumele sizithathe
mara si-incorporate lezizala
ne-culture yethu the way sikhula ngakhona uyayithola because si-strong masidlala kanjalo. Once sesicalile sesidlalisa uMaseko opposite side sizoba nenkinga angeke asinika lento esiyifunayo. Yes uzosinika ama-dreams like asiphila ama-dreams but do you think if he was out and out left bekuzoyenzakalani and then decide ukufaka uMremi ku-left what happens ngaleya game uhlupha abantu the whole day. Right. So kumele sizilungise lezi ntonyana ezincane ku development. Yes le kule level yabo Chiefs nani bayilungisile but lama player wasuki akhulele ku Chiefs asuka from Grootman esivulela iClub eKasi. How do we assist that person? Let's assist that person. If team efana nabo Chiefs yakhona ukunikeza ama team ayithethe amabhola, give them balls. If nikwazi ukuhold iseminar, call coaches around the area. Seminar, gents, amachita abantwana ba coach waso 1 2 3 4 because the football education is too expensive. You cannot tell a man or run a team from his own pocket ukuthi ayokhipha 20,000 for a B license. Iphuma kuphi 20,000? Iphuma kuphi like iphuma kuphi? It means manje ngithathe le mali engiyisave engivukelayo njalo emsebenzini izovalwa Mosi Club. Izovalwa and then my value how many kids are going back to the streets go loitering ama-drugs nenye izokubamba inkunzi uzabo banjwa yinkunzi. Uyayithola so kumele development isafa mas kula kumele babuyele khona le phezulu ku right akunama issues. We've got everything running there. Let's come back la ku grassroots asihambeni phansi sibheke ukuthi yeah no siyasokola asina ground lotshani ethembisa eliutilize abantwana nje without complications yeah then it's a problem ungeke udlala egroundini lotshani lokushini hey uyayazi ipolitiki yakho
angeke
siyabuya
uzodlala mangabe kwenzakala something
mongenile la kubo Sticks Morea so se finalini yantini but incusa zijwayelanga le environment and emazikhula ziyaphambili ziyakuyiphi environment dlala emagroundini otshani sijatshelwa umuntu wesport mawufika le ku high level football kunabo referee abayi3 so confused ukuthi kunomuntu ophakamisa iflag esayidini uyijwayele TV lezi zinto kumele zilunge from grassroots akhona amajita afuna ukuba referee but ifunding yakhona kumele iphume from the motherboard ukuthi yes na inyuku yenu ufuna ukuba ureferee obvious akusinyuku eBayern uzoyithola le 1.2 ngenyanga obvious enye imali niyithola from emagamini amajita azonihafa for ukuthi niya officiate
sure
so yizi izinto ekumele sizilungise ziningi ku development but hayi development le uKaizer Chiefs nabo SuperSport it's okay lapha kubo GDL kuyadlalwa ku right just lapha kumele silungise iculture na enye into kumele sibuyisela abantwana eculture kumele sikhona ukubona ukuthi kudlala iSuperSport kudlala iSundowns kudlala iChiefs kudlala Highlands Park azidlali ngokufana lawo ma team lawo uyayithola kumele kube naleyo identity lapho so leyo bazoyilungisa it's not an issue enkulu ukuthi from under 6 you must identify players from under 6 ukuthi ayile in a potential angithi khona ifan valley le abantwana bahambe bayohlala ngama holiday now ngoJune last 2 weeks 4 weeks bahlele ekhaya let's take players from LFA give them something lapha abayi50 so libe sibafuna ngokubafuna kusale under 15 national team senekho nina nizoba iB team from time to time so nibiza uyabona ukuthi manje sesicalile sine continuity from kulawo ma team will get senior national team hayi ukuthi senior national team so mele abantu ukuthi bashise kuPSL bese khane sithi senior national team mele international football sijwayele at the age of 12 sazi ukuthi sihamba siye eMorocco sibuye sishawe ngeUnder 12 siye kuphi sesijwayele
ekudala ngathi beyenzakala la
beyenzakala kudala beyenzakala so now uyazi ioffice
asifuna
ukungenelela kakhulu ngoba bazobona ngathi sihlale silwa nabo
uyangithola
so abayilungise bona sisiza nayi wisdom angithi ayazi sikhule kuyo plus thina sibena leyo lucky ukuthi sikhulwe ngaleso sikhathi kunjalo uyayithola kunabo interprovincial tournament manje ayisekho interprovincial tournament besazi ukuthi kuzozi team yasePretoria South Gauteng North Gauteng siyohlangana kuphi eBloemfontein nabantu base Free State kuphi sesicalile siyajwayelana from lapho ne friendship ya develop by the time banibiza ku under 20 seniyazana already
sure
so izinto ezincane kumele sizilungise and corporate ikhona nale mali iyafuna ukuyifaka but iplan yakhona kumele ibe clear uyayithola
definitely
because i-corporate cannot invest entweni engeke izibanikeza ama-results
mele bawabona
mele bawabona ama-results ukuthi okay is-invested or under 20 na iyadlala ayi-strong ifike ku-final hayi good siyafaka futhi next year siya-add but if azenzakale lezi zinto ne-planning ayikho proper sidibele sibheke phezulu because phezulu kunale mali engenayo forgetting ukuthi enzansi kune problem then sizoba i-country safari ngaba ukuthi le last 32 esifike kuyo siyagcina ukufika kuyo sizolinda 40 years before sifika kuyo
I hope kungabi kanjalo
angithi manje mina enye into engikhalelayo kakhulu singafuni ukuhlala kule ndawo yokuthi no ibafana bafana ifike ku last 32 bese isafi isifihla ngalokho bangasifihli ngalokho yes we've achieved that it's in the past
going forward kumele sifike
we need to improve from there
sifika ku last 80 na ku last 4 siyalwela and it's possible
abo SAB kumele sibabukele TV papsini
definitely
kumele siwazi lama players SNLH uyayithola but asibukeli SAB
unless kune Nedbank Cup fani sibayavela
kanjalo abo ABC Mtsipe kumele sibabukele we need to know these players
babe nayo le feeling nabo abafana bangathuswa ama camera masebangenile
like who was selected from Mtsipe or Orlando PSL.
Yeah.
It's questionable.
Yeah. And even nagu Mvela like
it's
good idea. Remember back then uMasilela, uTshepo Masilela bake bamthatha to national team.
Yes, uTheto wabathatha from lapho. Abusimpiwe.
But manje ayisekho lento.
Yeah, so it's a problem. Mele siyilungise.
Yeah,
mele siyilungise.
So when Grootman mase sivala, what would you say or advise, or what kind of sort of like advice ungayisho ku le coach efana nawe eKasi kulamashita lawa aseKasi acoachayo anayo riding uthando le disc? Because I mean obviously there's a lot of challenges enhlangana nazo. I mean zibhaya inyuku, it's the core basically, because obviously you can't survive without inyuku. Then kuba nalezo into ukuthi umuntu ufika nala ukuthi ayikho riding
ngiyeke
ngiyosipana
ayikho
yeah
hayi angabi discouraged uyayithola ungahamba uyosipana but do not be discouraged. Abantwana bayakanela ababuild a relationship now awusuyi coach kuphela. Some of them ilentuzani lento time akanayo so end up ekuba uwe ubaba uyayithola. Because sinazo le story ukuthi umuntu uyafika ekseni uzofuna imali ecarry lezo zinto uyayithola. So do not despair. If ufuna ukuyofuna ispan uzwa le ntwana ikhona ezokwazi ukubajimisa. So ucalela ugroom coach omusha. Uyayithola le nto. Asingaphelelini abantwana inhliziyo because without kids the country izosafara. Each generation if siyayekela ilahlekele to intweni ezi wrong and then who takes over after sesingekho? It's gonna be chaos. Uyayithola. So labo coach laba abanye asizameni, there's Google, uhlala une-data, downloadela ama-manual. Obviously football education is expensive. Download, learn stuff. Uyayithola. You understand the game better so that uzokwazi uku-empower ama-player better. But it doesn't mean Meruz uyoba ne-certificate ukuthi ube a good coach. It doesn't mean that. You just need to understand ulandele igame. Asibukeleni igame. If une-space, biza abantwana uhlale nabo. Let's analyze football matches. Ubakhombisa ukuthi ma uyi-winger kudlalwa so. Ma udlala left back, uyabona ukuthi wenzani lo muntu. Like teach them the game. Angithi uyayithanda. Awuyenzela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ibe nemali. Uyenzela ukuthi abanye abantu i-change impilo zabo now.
Sure.
So let's like invest in kids and invest ebantwaneni. It doesn't need money always. Sometimes you need knowledge, wisdom, nale guidance yokuba ubaba nje ebantwaneni.
It means a lot,
yeah. So amachita do not despair. Akhona amachita ngaphandle are prepared uku-assista ngaleyo 50 rand, but ungathathi 50 rand uyipokotela uyosha 2 beers makufune 50 rand. Thatha le 50 rand uyifake ebantwaneni. Izoba nama-return uzoyibona. And ama-return sometimes akusiyimali, ama-performance. You will be invited there. Kuvuleka ama-opportunity. Uzovela umuntu one day athi mfana ngilibele ngiyakulandela yazi. Bamba kanje lento yakho siyayithanda le. Bamba kanje uyayithola. Yeah, and asibeni ne-vision. Singawabo coach wokuthi ngifuna ukucoacha. Iba ne-vision ukuthi njengoba ngiyicoacha le team ngifuna i-end up ekuphi. Iba ne-plan. Labantwana ngifuna aba-end up ekuphi. Uyayithola. Singabe abo coach nje coaching just for coaching ukuthi ngichube isikhathi. Iba ne-vision so that nakulama plays or rubber off so that mabangena egroundini badlala nabo nge-vision yokuthi nami ngifuna ukuya somewhere egamini.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Ano ngiyabonga Grootman, ngiyayivala manje. Ithi before ngiyivala ngigaye enye chance ukuthi maybe if there's any message ofuna ukuyisenda ngaphandle, is there anything that you'd like to say?
Yeah, no, into engayisho ukuthi kulabantu abanemali angikhulumeli mina kuphela. Around the area yakho ifune imali siyazi abantu bathenga amabhodlela wabo 4,000 5,000. If unamali around your area ubona umjito coach abantwana or sister udlalisa abantwana netball, i-country belongs to us. Let's assist. Let's assist. Let's build future heroes. Let's build academics. Uyayithola. Let's assist. Uyayithola. Singabi le country ukuthi uzosibona bekathi uyenzani. Let's assist and assist sometimes. Njengoba ngisho akusimali. Uyafika lapho ushiya amabhola, uyafika ushiya ikithinyana. You can afford this. It's not into a hectic kuwe. Uyayithola. You can afford it. Just assist where you can. Uyayithola le nto leyo. And then to government, we cannot be neglecting kids. They need to come together and suffer. Find a way. Ukuthi abantwana silungisa kanjani indawo yabo ngoba sizo end up asiba nalama situation ukuthi abantwana bayagwazana ezikolweni because akuna activity esikolweni.
Sure.
Yes, sports, right? So sports and recreation and other departments about athletics none. Let's find a way la nizohlala khona phansi nibe ne discussion and create a program that is going to sustain us for the next coming 15-20 years. Abantwana babe active phela kusi football kuphela kunama athletes khona wazi chess khona wazi cricket khona wazi rugby akumelanga ngize ngimise esilungwini ukuthi adlale rugby naselokishini kumele sibe nayo club ye rugby. So wherever la sikhona kuleso space sikhona ukucontribute ukuthi kube ne progress towards kids, let's just do that. Important le nto le.
Hayi no, ngiyabonga Grootman uyibeke grand. I'm sure nabo bayezwa bazwile. And I'll make sure ukuthi uzohlala uza la uzokhuluma the same thing uze ize baze bayizwe labantu. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
No,
ngiyabonga.
Asibakhuthaze in fact, guys, thank you for watching, man. We really appreciate your support. Sibonge bafethu HPNS. Until next time. Danko.